Hey guys, what's up? Hi Mr. Patel. Hi. Hey Sakina, what's up? Hi Mehak. Hey guys, what's up? I came live on my birthday, but I thought I just wanted to come live today, just randomly. Hey Aesthetic Anushka. Hi. Long time. Yeah, buddy. Hi Ashi. Hey guys. Thank you so much for all your love to Pyar Nal. We've crossed almost 5.9 million, so we're gonna reach 6 million pretty soon. And thank you so much for that. Thank you for all the lovely edits on my birthday. I couldn't put all of them, but I saw all of them, and I'm really happy. So thank you for the edits. Thank you for all the letters, all the posts, and all the videos that you guys are making on Pyar Nal, which makes me really happy. And I'm trying to share as much as videos as possible on all the videos that you guys are making. So yeah. Hi Tanisha, what's up? Hey, don't know what's up. So yeah, thank you for all your love on Pyar Nal, and please keep showering your love, keep making your videos and everything. You've crossed 14,000 viewers. I'm not really checking DMs like personally, but yeah, I am checking the group DMs. But yeah, I'll try to check as much as DMs as possible. Hi, Saint-Jalek Anushka, how are you? I love your username. That's why I call you by Saint-Jalek. 15,000 viewers. Hell yeah. So, hi Anushka Admirer. Hi Ibrahim. Hi Sartaj Pasha. I had a great birthday, as you all know, as you could see, in my pictures and everything. I had really good fun. In fact, you can see the balloons. I was making some videos. So yeah, I had a pretty amazing birthday, and thank you for making my birthday more special via wishes and everything. So yeah, thanks. You've said it 1,000 times. I love you so much. Aww. Guess who's legal now? Hell yeah, me. I really want to have my license by now. I really wanted it, but then I don't know if I think it's online, but then I don't know how it's online, because like, how will they know I know to drive or whatever? You know what I mean? When I was seeing you drive, once I get my license, I mean, no, even before that, because license is gonna take some time. So I'm gonna learn if my dad allows me to. If I learn, if I start like learning and all, I'll probably put some videos. Yeah. Thank you for when I've seen all the comments like on Pyar Nal's video. Wow, guys, you guys are really appreciating it, isn't it? I mean, I'm very happy with all the appreciation. It's really amazing. I mean, the amount of love we have got through Pyar Nal, through you guys. It's a lot of. Even my mom says thank you. Mom is saying hi to everyone, and she's giving me a look. She's like, and she's laughing, but she says hi to y'all. My dad is busy, varna I would have said from his side also hi. Damn, your birthday look was. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was so good to see you in Darshir in music video. Thank you so much. Thank you. I had major fun shooting it, and honestly, I had a lot of fun shooting it. When we were shooting in Chandigarh, because I shot after like 4.5 months, so it was surreal. It was like, wow, finally, I'm in my habitat or something like that. Hey, Artistic Saint, really love all your edits, huh? Like, your page just makes me feel so happy. So yeah, it was really good to shoot after 4.5 months. That too, with Darshil. So that was a lot of fun. Wanted to shoot with him for a long time, and it was really great to have him and shoot with him. And Dad was there, so me, Dad, Darshil had really a lot of fun. So it was crazy. It was nice. It was cool. And then my birthday came, and then Keisha, my parents did a great job by surprising me every moment. And Keisha, then Gunzi and Vicky. It's I think pretty much the best birthday I've ever had. Thank you so much. Yes, I'll check your video on Pyarnal. So guys, if you happy birthday Anushka. It's not my birthday today, but yeah, thank you. A lot of people are thinking it's my birthday today. It is. I actually say like to people that the entire August month is my birthday. So yeah, thank you. You can keep wishing me. I mean, like, why not? The entire August month is my month. Hey Ayush, what's up? How are you? So yeah, pretty much cool stuff. And I did a new project in between, which I can't share anything about. But yeah, something pretty much interesting coming soon. There are actually 2 things coming up soon. And I'm really excited for y'all to see it. Happy birthday, Queen. Thank you. I love how everyone's wishing me happy birthday now. Again. But yeah, Leo season, right? Of course. I'm good. What about you? I'm good. I'm great. Feeling amazing. So far, the best birthday. I mean, say next treasure. Hey. Hi, Shaunak. Hi. Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh man, I had my mom made some amazing food. It was amazing, and also like there's so many cakes. It was amazing. Like, what a birthday. And it's going on. I mean, it was not only till 4th. I mean, it started from when I started shooting in Chandigarh, which was on 27th. So from 27th to 4th, and then it's going on because 2 new projects, and then still I'm seeing edits and everything, and then it's still going on. My birthday is like not over. So the entire August I'm gonna celebrate. You look so beautiful. Thank you so much. So whenever you make videos on Pyarnal, please don't forget to put #Pyarnal, varna I will not be able to find it, and then you will be like, maine kyun nahi dekha, why didn't Anushka see it and all that. So to avoid that, please put #Pyarnal, and then I'll see it. Make reels or whatever, or you can post whatever suits you. You can just make that, and I'll try as much as videos to put on my story. And yeah, that's all. I mean, Pyarnal is still going on really great. The growth every day is actually incredible, and it's really, really happy I am, because Pyarnal is genuinely like one of the most special songs for me, because they released it on my birthday. Then we shot after 4.5 months, and it was with Darshil. So this song is really close to my heart. So that's why I really appreciate you guys supporting it, and so everything. Hello, hi Om. There's beautiful, and then there's Anushka, period. Thank you. Rihanna's song was really amazing, Dee. Thank you. It is so special. It's honestly so adorable. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's why I just came randomly, live. I was like, I'll just have a talk. Because I will come live even more, like probably this week sometime. But like I thought for some time I'll come. Can you say Catherine Pierce or a Damon dialogue? Which dialogue should I say? I think Damon's dialogue I will say, but which one? That's what I'm thinking. If I have it in my mind, I'll say which one. কি খবর? ভালো, সব ঠিক আছে. Oh. Hi Didi, hi. What dialogue? The only thing which is coming to my mind is like, hello brother. What are you watching currently? Sakina, what I'm watching currently is I started watching this Korean series called It's Okay to Not Be Okay, which was referred to me by Roshni Walia. She was like, it's really good, so that's why I started watching it. And it actually had a good look and feel also. So I started watching it and I'm having fun. Also, I watched this movie called Work It, which has Sabrina Carpenter, Liza Koshy. It's a pretty fun movie. I actually enjoyed it, which I watched with my mom. She also enjoyed it. What else did I watch? It's another movie that I watched. Oh yeah, I watched Kissing Booth 2, like long time back. I watched it. Did I tell you all? I didn't, I think. So I watched Kissing Booth 2 when I was going to Chandigarh. Flight me. It's pretty fun, huh? Because, with all the shield and everything, 2 hours you're watching a movie. It's pretty fun. Pyarna is a very nice song. Thank you. It is so good. Which one? Elite, right? I have to watch Elite. Let's see when. I'm waiting. Did I just say waiting? I'm waiting to watch Lucifer, which is coming on 21st August. Watch Eli. Where are you? I am in New York actually. As you can see, this is New York. Actually, you can believe also because lagta bhi hai na, nahi New York, nahi na. But anyway, my mom's giving me a look. But yeah, I'm in New York and actually no, if you guys take it seriously, but then sab bolenge, bro, why are you in New York? Why did you go? Where did you go? How did you go? I'm at home, guys. घर पे ही हूँ मैं. I'm at home today. Amay Pandya, hi. What's up, Pandya? लगता है New York. See, I know, guys. This amount of support is crazy. Big fan from Pakistan. Thank you so much, Ibrahim. Your favorite song? I'm listening to this song called Electric Love, which is, it's wow. You know what I mean? मतलब बाप रे बाप, what a song यार. क्या गाना है वो. Electric Love is wow. And हिंदी में I am tripping on दिल को करारा है. My dad also says hi to everyone. Hi Ayan, किसका बर्थडे आ रहा है कल? Ayan's birthday is there, guys, tomorrow. Please don't forget to wish him. Huh? I'm live on Instagram. Lots of love from Kolkata. Thank you so much. কেমন আছো? ভালো আছি. তুমি কেমন আছো? Jannat Anushka bestie. Ooh, wow. What's up with your college admissions? I took admission. मेरा हो गया admission. What am I supposed to say? Big fan from across the street. Thank you. Amay. I appreciate it. किसका तो आ रहा है? हाँ यार, किसी का तो आ रहा है. Sameer Khan, hello. अरे वाह, yes, my admission is done, but I don't know what's the plan. Like कैसे शुरू हो रहा है? I think probably it's gonna start from online. When will you and Janat come live together? Pretty soon, I think. If I meet her, I'll come live with her. Yeah? That's, I think, a better idea. Instead of, like adding and all, वो तो ठीक है, but मिलके मज़ा आता है, अलग ही. Hi Shashank, hello. Hi Priz. Anushka Zain is the most beautiful girl alive. Breathe if you agree. How do you guys do this? I mean, wow. The fact that you didn't even wear much makeup even on your birthday, accepted the fact that you're a goddess. Thank you, yeah, Sakina. I am like this. I don't know what to say. Until unless somebody does makeup for me, I'm a lazy person. I just do this much only. This is the maximum I can do. Like birthday pay is the maximum I can do. This is even lesser than that. Can you imagine? Are you liking my post? Yeah, of course. Why not? Love your pose. I get ready, my makeup when I do, I get ready in 15 minutes. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. Now, there's sometimes, some days 30 minutes हो जाता है when I'm playing music and I'm in that, you know what I mean? इसे चला गया पूरा. Hello, one day motivation. Was that Jannat from your phone? Ayan, Jannat ने लिखा क्या? You look in the Mahadev serial, yes. Ariana or Billy? It's tough, man. I think I really like both, but I think Billy, thoda zyada. Which highlighter do you use, Anushka, and which brand for brushes? So for highlighter, I use Rene Cosmetics, because that's the best. Ashka these. Rene Cosmetics is the best one, best highlighter that I get. And for brushes, Bobbi Brown. Stearline or Claroline? Shit, I can't even say that. What the heck? I think Claroline. Nope, Silent Love. It's me, Ayan. Where was your birthday outfit from? So there were a lot of birthday outfits, if you remember. So the red one was from Fashion Over, and this one is a gift from mom and dad. It's from Zara. This also I was wearing on my birthday for a while. So yeah, this one's from Zara. I really like this one. I mean, the color is really pretty. And I was also wearing another one, which was UCLA. That is also from Zara. Subrat's music. Hard Ice. Who's Khushbu? Somebody wrote Khushbu. I'm not Khushbu. Yes, you had like 4 outfits. Of course. That's the perks of being, in like at home. So then you have to. I did hear the song of Billy, new song. So song wise, I like Billy more. But then I don't know. Probably like sometimes I find Ariana is a mood. When she's like all goofy and stuff. That is like a mood. Can we get a hint of your next project? It's coming out pretty soon, that's what I can say. It's coming in August. Both of them. Hi Anushka, hey there, what's up? Hi Anu, hi. Hi Vishy saying. Hi Anushka Aspire, what's up? So, yeah, that's all. I think I'll take your leave, because I have some stuff to do right now. Surprise live, hell yeah. So I'm gonna come live again, but today this was it, because I just wanted to randomly come and just talk to y'all. But yeah, stay tuned for 2 new projects which are coming on the way. Please keep showering your love on Pyarnal. So please use hashtag Pyarnal whenever you're making any video or anything. Please use that so that I can check it. So take care and lots of love.